keep these. So you don't need to open everything. So you can keep. Maybe it's you can eat this. The date is written, but 10 months you can preserve this. So that's why you don't need to rush. I open this, so I need to eat this in 3 days or something like that. Not something like that. So I really like that. I like chocolate, but I want to taste little bit of chocolate and coffee. That's why I really like this small package. And move on to next one. This is something great. Premium Ghana fruit chocolate, Kyoho grape. Kyoho grape is very famous type of grape and really expensive. I also tried this one, and this is something really special because many of the fruits flavor sweets are I feel it's artificial flavor or taste, but I felt this is more like natural juice, like drinking grape juice, and the flavor real fresh. I thought similar feeling, similar taste, flavor by that. I'm not sure how they did that. I'm really curious. It said semi-liquid chocolate.